Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add bank account to Cash App without debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to add a bank account to Cash App, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Cash App app and log into your account, or simply open up your Cash App account in your browser, and then once inside, what you need to do is log into your account and then tap on the profile icon or the bank tab, which is usually a bank or a dollar sign. Then next is to select add a bank or link bank option, then enter your bank account number and routing numbers manually. You can find these on the bank statement or by contacting your bank. Then the Cash App will usually verify the account by instant verification through your bank login credentials if you choose this option, or micro deposits by Cash App sending small deposits to your bank and you confirm the amounts later. Then lastly, all you gotta do is follow the prompts to complete the verification. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.